Going to be creating a rubric using the online Rubric add-on. The nice thing is that you are able to, if you've used Google Classroom with your students, import from that roster and it will pull in their first, last name, and email address. I'm just going to build a roster today with some fake names and email addresses. It'll ask you to name your rubric. And the next step will be to add your students. Once you're done, you verify those. And then the next step will be to start building your rubric. I'm going to create a new rubric. You can also import rubrics. So I've already copied and pasted from another document. I'm going to paste this in. So you put your numbers across the top row, and then down the columns you do the different things you're planning to grade. These are the descriptors you're going to put in. I'm just going to do the ones for introduction for the sake of speed. Once I've created my rubric, then I need to submit. Now I'm ready to start grading. So I can go in and grade John's. This is the email template that will send out emails once you release your scores. So I'm going to go back, and the really nice thing is when you put a total in, it automatically tabulates the score for you. So you can also do a multiplier and make this double the points or triple, whatever you want to do. And finally, when you're done, you can email out scores when you're ready to, and it sends each of your students their score.